Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will talk about how you can convert any disk from MBR format to GPT. So why we are just converting from MBR to GPT is to do some more stuff rather than limited one. So that's why one of a person who just wanted to create 3 TB of disk size, so it is not possible in MBR format. So that's why. So on that situation, first we need to just know. Uh, I'm just showing you the all things in Windows 10 environment, and I have installed Windows 10 operating system in my virtual box. And here I would go to setting, and I will add one more disk to perform and show you how we can do all things, right? So just a second, we need to just click to here and just click here to see hard disk, and now we need to create one hard disk to perform the stuff. I'm just going to create this disk for 20 GB. So you can also mention 20 GB here. So I'm just going to mention 20 GB, right? So yeah, perfect. Now I'm just going to create it, and once you create, you will able to see here, right? And not attached, see. So this one is 20 GB, 20.9. So I'm just choosing it, and I think, yeah, this is done. Now I'm just going to click OK and going to start this operating system, right? And once this operating system start, we will show you how you can do the rest of things. Okay, so we started our operating system now, and now we are moving to disk mgmt .msc. Just type in your start menu disk mgmt.msc. This is the disk utility program, and we can see the rest of things here. So let's load this first. Okay, so this is the 20.90 GB NTFS partition is created here. I just created, and let me show you the type of this disk. So this is the disk 0 and this is the disk 1, right? So we are just discussing about disk, not volumes. And now if you want to see, then go to hardware. See, just go to hardware and then select whatever disk you want to see. This is the, go to properties, and go to volumes, and here if you just click to populate, it will show you this is the partition type MBR, right? This is the 2114, means the same size of disk which I just created, right? So okay, this is currently in MBR format, and let me show you if the disk is formatted or not. Okay, so you can see the size of 20 GB is showing here, right? With the E drive, and here is also E drive. Now we are going to convert this disk from MBR to GPT. So on that situation, you shouldn't have any amount of data in this disk, right? In this disk, I'm just talking about the disk, not a volume. So for doing this, first go to CMD and start with administrators, so you won't face any challenges. Now once you start CMD, just use disk part command. Now you are inside disk part, and just do list disk command here, and once you just click in, once you type the list disk, it will show you disk 0 and disk 1. So disk 0 is 51 GB, which is our current operating system running on this disk, and the 20 GB is the next disk where only single volume is created. If you want to see, just list volume, right? So once you list a volume, it will show you the all listed volumes here with the all things with the perfect amount of data. So see, I just typed list disk, and see volume 4 is E and new volume with the same disk, right? And the disk rest of things are created with the first disk, right? So I'm just going to select disk 1. So select disk 1. Once you select disk 1, just clean it and convert ZPT. That's it. This is converted now. Now after converting it, see, this is unallocated space. There is no any volume, nothing at all. This is just converted, and now we are going to create simple volume. So this will look like this once you convert your disk. So I'm just again going to create it, and it will not ask anything. It will directly just create, and once created, we will go to the same location and we'll see what is the current format of the disk, right? So here, and then go to tools, sorry, go to hardware, and select the disk whatever you want to see, and then go to properties, volumes, and populate. See, this is the part of GPT now, right? So this is how you can convert your disk from MBR to GPT, but make sure you should not have any amount of data on your disk, else it will lost and won't be recover, right? So this is how we did this, and if you like the video, like and do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you so much.